Now, the last of our vehicles is the coupe. Now, the coupe was stored inside of a trailer, inside of a semi-trailer. So it has been in all these years, it's been inside. As you can see, the interior is trashed, but my oh my, look at the metal. You got some darn good metal on this rest. Steven, they're going to sell the tires, you're going to get the original tires, you're going to get the coupe. Believe the engine is stopped. I believe. I have never been. Oh man! Just get on the right. Yeah. There you go. Put it back to the original.
Your mine are all the way up, all the way down. I'm going to get one right there. Give me $1,000.
Dirt come with it? The dirt? Yeah. We're going to let you have the dirt with it.
$1,000. $1,000 on that car. $1,000. 500. 600.
Yep.
700. 700, 800, 900, $1,000, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100. You're in at 1,000, 1,100.
11, we're out.
1,100, 1,000, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
2,000.
How much?
2,000, 2250, 25.
2,500.
3,000.
3,000,
3,035.
Yeah.
$4,000, you're all out. 3,500 here, 36, 37. 38, 39, 39, 4,000, 4,250, 4,500, 4,500, 4,750, 5,000, 5,500, 6,000, 5,500, 6,000, 5,500, 6,000 right, 5,500, 6,000,
56.
57, 5,700, 56, 5,700. 5,700 where? 56.7. 5,700. Anybody else want in?
I understand you're not buying a running, rolling chassis here, but I understand. Go find that.
Go find that.
There is a heck of a lot of nice metal on this rest.
$5,700. $5,700 right. 56, 5,700.
Anybody?
5,700. Anybody else want in? 56, 7. Somebody give us 700 there. 56, 57.
Right there,
Number 87.
Yes, it's inside the trailer.
You sell it just the way it is.